What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This video, I wanted to kind of show off the new chest rig I have built out. This is probably going to become my new go-to chest rig, just because I feel like it has more capability than the original chest rig I had that I showed off in, I think it was my second video. But we'll just dive right into it. The base is just a TAPS chest rig, tactical assault panel. Really like this chest rig. It's really robust, made very well. Highly recommend it for anybody. You can usually pick these up for, I think I got mine for 40 bucks. So it's a good budget option. And as you can see, you got plenty of real estate to add whatever you need to it. And plenty of room for mags. Technically, excuse me, all of these are meant for magazines. So as you can see, you got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mags that you can stack in here, with options of adding even more with M4 pouches like this, the double M4 pouch, or whatever you see fit. So as you can see, I just have the middle 4 pouches or magazine pouches with metal mags. I actually do have the Haley MP2 inserts in here. They hold pretty well. I might eventually end up adding bungee retention to these two, just as a double or as another means of security, just so I don't yard sell these things all over the place. If I were to take a spill or something, you know, last thing I want to do is take a fall and catch a metal mag in the chin or something. But so far they work pretty good. Haven't had one come out yet. So on the side here, I have 2 tourniquets. I actually took this from, I think it's Grunt Perspective, if I'm not mistaken. He has tourniquets set up in these 2 pouches like this. So I really like the idea of having 2 tourniquets right there in front that I can get to with either arm. So I really like that idea. And then of course I just took Sharpie and put TQ on it. That way it's identifiable. This pocket is actually going to be radio pocket. Shove my UV5R in. Eventually I will have dedicated radios for all my kit. Right now I'm just kind of rotating the one in my original chest rig around to whatever I'm wearing for that particular day. But eventually the goal is to have a radio for each individual kit. That way I don't have to keep swapping around and stuff. And then this side's actually empty right now. Probably going to put some kind of fixed blade knife in here and find some way of fixing it in here. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it, but that's probably what that pocket's going to be for. And then moving to the front, I'll just have my 2 canteens on each side, and these are just old surplus canteen pouches. You can find these eBay, or sometimes your local surplus shop will have them, but they're really good quality piece of gear. Each one has just the OD green plastic canteen in each, and then I have the nesting cup and lid in this one. I think one of them, yeah, it's this one. So, and then for the side pouches, I just have a little fire kit. Nothing crazy, just a big lighter, ferro rod and striker, and then just an SPIC cube in there, just for some means of starting fire if I need to. And then a small hank of paracord in here, just what I could fit in here. So And then in this pocket on the canteen pouch, I just have my aqua tabs. I have 10 of them in there. And then moving to the other one, this outside pouch is empty right now. I'm thinking this might be where I put my compass. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I think that's probably where I'm going to end up putting my compass at. And then this pocket is just like a boo-boo kit kind of thing. Just got a few alcohol pads, some band-aids, some triple antibiotic ointment, some anti-diarrheal, some Benadryl, Advil, ibuprofen, and then of course some chapstick. Next to that is just double M4 pouch. You've seen it on the same thing on my original chest rig. Same thing. Right now I only have one extra mag in there. Probably going to end up taking one of these and putting in there, and then putting P-mags in the back, because I feel like P-mags hold in the MP2 inserts a little better than just these metal mags. So over here in this tan pouch, the front just have just a small microfiber cloth and some lens cleaning wipes, just for optics or anything else. And then in the main compartment for this one, a little snug, sorry about that, but I have some binos in here. These are Bushnell. Come with caps. And I can't remember what model these are. Might be able to see it there. But I'll put it in the description below. These are really good, though. These have very clear glass to them. Highly impressed with those, and I think I got those for, I think at Walmart they were 60 bucks maybe. So it's not too bad. Pretty decent price for some decent quality binos. They're not the best out there, of course, but. And I will be getting a bigger pouch for these, of course. As you can see, they're in there very snug, but it's working with what I got for right now. Then in the center, this is from Spiritus. I think it's called the CSS pouch. Not 100% sure. I'll put it in the description below what it is. But I really like this pouch. So I'm using it pretty much as an admin pouch. Comes with has two compartments in it. Front one, I just have a little pouch, and this is just like the quick calorie stuff, like you've seen in my other chest rig video. Just some quick stuff. There's some hydration powders in there. Got some instant coffee down in here. Just quick calorie type stuff that's easy to get to. I don't have to stop, dig around in a bag or anything. Just right there in the front, ready to go. And then as for the main compartment, I have set up a lot like the full tank tactical bag on the front of my original chest rig. I just got a pen, Sharpie, black, blue, red map markers. We'll be swapping these out with skinnier ones, just so that it's not so bulky in here. And then a couple chem lots. Nothing too crazy. I do have a rangefinder in here. This is the Halo XL450. These, I think, 80 bucks these are, and they're actually pretty good. I have one in my range kit that I use when I sight in new rifle or new scopes and stuff. So it's pretty good, and you can change it from yards and meters too, depending on how you want to zero your optic and stuff. So, and then here I just have, I forgot, this is a little pouch from Maxpedition. I can't remember the name of it, but it's got Velcro backing, and I just pretty much use it as a holder for my Right in the Rain. And then I also have my battery compartments in there too. That's pretty much it for that pouch. And then underneath I have a pair of pig gloves, and these are really thin. I actually have pretty good dexterity in these, so I'm going to be switching all my gloves over to pig gloves. And then of course, like I had on the other chest rig, I just got a roll of black tape hanging. Never know. Good for repairs, all kinds of good stuff. And then the harness is actually the harness that came with my Spiritus chest rig. I just repurposed it for this because the straps and the harness that comes with the TAPS rig is, for me, not comfortable at all. Pretty much it just has one strap that goes around, and it's like on a Y type harness, if I'm not mistaken, and it's just not comfortable for me, especially when you load it out heavy like I have. It's not comfortable at all. So but yeah, I've just repurposed the Spiritus Systems chest rig, and then I have my blood type identifier on the back. And then my waist strap is actually the waist strap that came with the Full Tank Tactical plate carrier bag, or chest rig bag, sorry, that I have on my Spiritus Thing 2 chest rig that I showed you all in the first video. And I really like this because if you have a couple layers on, then you have a little bit of that stretch with it too, to help accommodate for that extra padding and stuff. So really like that. And then as for the back of the, or the inside I should say, of the plate or chest rig, I actually have my IFAK on the inside left, closest to the body, and it just has pretty much the same contents as the IFAK I have on my belt and stuff. Compressed gauze, Israeli bandage. I just have a 4-inch Israeli bandage in this one. Really didn't have the room for the 6-inch gloves. Chest seal, the hyphen blue double chest seal. I think I have a quick plot pad or gauze in there too. But yeah, that's pretty much the same stuff I have on my belt kit. I just have it tucked in back here. I do need to add some kind of red tape or some kind of red identifier to the handle or the little pull tab here, so people know that's where my IFAK is. The middle here is actually just pretty much maps and some quick reference cards. I'm not going to get them out because obviously I don't want to show off the maps of my area, but that's pretty much all that's in here. And then the back right panel, I keep a signal panel, and then I just have a cotton bandana down in here. But that is the chest rig. I want to kind of show it off to everybody. I was very happy with the way that this chest rig turned out. It is probably pretty heavy for most people's applications, but I like having more capability behind my chest rig. I like the Spiritus thing 2 set up, but I mean, essentially you just have about this much space on a chest rig, and this one gives you, I think it's 3 or 4 more rows of molly on each side, and more capability for magazines if you didn't want to use an M4 double M4 mag pouch like this, or another form of mag pouch on the front. That would give you more space for something else. But that's the rig. I'll keep you guys up to date with anything I change on it. Right now I'm pretty happy with the way it's set up. If you guys got any more questions about the rig or anything like that, just comment below or send me a message over on Instagram. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.